Matt Hart's Ice Cream. Today we're trying Dairy Queen's Blizzard of the Month for August, the Chips Ahoy Blizzard. Now, I used to go around telling people that a chewy Chips Ahoy were the pinnacle of human creativity. Until someone said, hey, have you tried microwaving those for 10 seconds? Now I go around telling people that microwave chewy Chips Ahoy cookies are the pinnacle of human creativity. So yeah, I am pretty excited to give this Chips Ahoy Blizzard just a pop, a taste, or, you know, I'm looking forward to this because it's not just like Chips Ahoy chunks, it's also like chocolate chunks and chocolate swirl mixed together. So yeah, this is gonna be great. Unfortunately, the small Chips Ahoy Blizzard is 740 calories, so that is a lot. I find it like helpful to treat these blizzards as like a once a month treat, you know, that way you're not denying yourself, but you're not overindulging either. Alright, that's pretty darn good. It's really chocolatey, which is, of course, always a plus when you're eating ice cream. And I knew they were going to be using like the crunchy Chips Ahoy cookies instead of the chewy, which are my personal favorites. But hey, you know what? These are still pretty awesome. But still, this is a great blizzard. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'm going to have to give Dairy Queen's Blizzard of the Month for August, the Chips Ahoy Blizzard, 4 scoops of happiness.